Marry Me Chicken over gnocchi. This is one you're definitely going to want to add to the cookbook. To start, we're going to carefully cut some chicken breasts into cutlets. If you don't want to do this, you can buy them pre-cut. Season your chicken nicely with salt and pepper. Then you want to dredge both sides of your cutlets in flour. Get a pot of water on the stove and set it to boil. A few tablespoons of oil in a pan on medium-high heat. Once it's hot, get your chicken in there. Try not to overcrowd them. About 2 to 4 minutes on each side. Once they're golden brown, or cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, you can remove them. Set them aside and we'll start the sauce. Using the same pan, toss in 3 to 4 minced garlic cloves. Make sure your pan is cooled a considerable amount. If you add the garlic to the pan right away, it will burn and all of the fond in your pan will be ruined. Trust me, it's better to wait. Next, we'll deglaze with about a 1/3 cup of white wine. Scrape all the goodness off the bottom of that pan. Then, add about a cup of chicken stock and let that cook down a bit. Make sure this doesn't taste like alcohol before you continue. If it does, keep cooking it. Add in a cup of cream, followed by about a 1/2 cup of parmesan. Or more if you want. I should have added more. Next time, I'm adding more. Your sauce will begin to thicken up. If you want it thicker, add some cold water mixed with cornstarch. Not too much though. Season with the classic sea salt and pepper. And about a teaspoon of chili flakes. 1/4 teaspoon thyme. 1/4 teaspoon oregano. Then about a 1/3 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. For this recipe, I like to use the ones that come in oil. Finally, finish that off with some fresh chopped basil. If your sauce is too thick for your liking, add some more chicken stock here. Let's get that gnocchi going. Just dump it into our pot of salted boiling water. Yes, I used stuff from a bag, it's still delicious. These cook very fast, 2 minutes tops. Once they float to the surface, you can scoop them out with a slotted spoon into a colander. Now, we're going to crisp the gnocchi up a bit using the lovely sun-dried tomato oil. Trust me, this is a hit here. We just want to quickly saute these until the sides are golden brown. Doesn't have to be perfect though. You really don't want to cook them for too long, just crisp them up a bit. Looking pretty good, let's get these on a plate. Add a small amount of sauce to the gnocchi, then place your cutlet on top. Give that a good smattering of sauce and you're ready to eat. This is such a tasty dish. If you've never had it, you're seriously missing out.